Video H7, whole number times a mixed number. So what we need to do is the same thing we've done when we were adding and subtracting mixed numbers, change everything to an improper fraction. And right away I see people go, well, there's not anything over here. So what I'm really going to do on this one is just go 4 is the same as 4 over 1 times this one. I'm going to have a 4 for a denominator still. 4 times 5 is 20. 20 plus 1 is 21/4. So again, all we've done is change both numbers. I've changed my whole number to an improper fraction. I've changed my mixed number to an improper fraction. Now that we're ready to multiply, I don't need to get the denominators the same. What? That's all we've been doing for a week and a half. I don't need to get the denominators the same because I'm going to do top times top, bottom times bottom. So 21 times 4 is 84. 1 times 4 is 4. So I'm at 84/4. Now I'm going to change it back to a mixed number or a whole number, maybe. 4 goes into 8 2 times. When I subtract, I got a 0. Bring down my 4. How many 4s are 1? 1 times 4 is 0. No remainder today. So this is just equals 21 wholes. Remember how before I said you could kind of check your answer out? So if I get rid of the fraction, I should get something that's pretty close. So I have 4 times 5, which would be 20. And look, we were at 21. Oh yeah, very close. Very reasonable. Let's try another one. 7 is just going to be 7 over 1. This one's going to have, my denominator is going to stay 3. 3 times 3 is 9, plus 2 is 11. I'm multiplying. 7 times 11 is 77. 1 times 3 is 3, and I need to divide this one out. 3 goes into 7 2 times, which is 6. Subtract, I get 1. Bring down my 7. 3 goes into 17 5 times. Subtract, I get a remainder of 2. So 77 thirds equals 25 and 2 thirds. If I get rid of my fraction part, I got 7 times 3 is 21. That's in the ballpark. You may notice that it's getting a little bit farther away than when we were adding and subtracting. So when I'm saying something seems reasonable, it may be within whatever this number is, because I took a fraction times 7. So as long as I'm within 7, and I am, I should be close enough. Give you a couple for you to try out. Hope I didn't trick you because I switched the numbers, the order. This is going to be halves. 2 times 8 is 16, plus 1 is 17. Times 6 over 1. 17 times 6. 42. Carry my 4. 6, 10. 102 over 2. I'm going to take my 102, divide by 2. There are no 2's in 1. 2's in 10, there would be 5. 5 times 2 is 10. Subtract, I get nothing. Bring down my 2. How many 2's in 2? Just 1. Remainder 0. So this would just equal 51. 8.5 times 6 equals 51. If I get rid of my fraction, 8 times 6 is 48. Seems reasonable. Last one for you to check out. I got fifths. 5 times 6 is 30, plus 2, 32 fifths, times 5 over 1. 32 times 5 gets me 160 over 5. Oh, this one's going to come out a whole number because I know 5's go evenly into any number that ends with a 0 or a 5. 5's in 1 is 0. 5's in 16 would be 3. 5's in 10 would be 2. No remainder, so my answer is just 32. If I get rid of the fraction part, 6 times 5 is 30. Seems very reasonable.